Firefighters respond to alarms every 24 seconds. The average time for a fire department to arrive on site is just over 5 minutes. Our bags have been tested to withstand a fire for up to 10 minutes. Don't get burned. Let Rifkin Fire Shield bags protect your valuables, original documents, legal files, and cash. Let's put Rifkin Fire Shield bags to the test. Our heavy-duty security bags are engineered to withstand high-temperature flames by using a multi-layer manufacturing technology that integrates a carbon fiber barrier core, as well as Nomex zipper tape that is used in firefighters' clothing. Rifkin Fire Shield bags protect you from the threats you never saw coming: theft, tampering, and fire. Keep the flames off your most valuable belongings with Rifkin Fire Shield bags.